trig identities. Number 3 is the cosine formula. The knowledge required here in the cosine formula is a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos a. It could be written as b squared is equal to a squared plus c squared minus 2ac cos b, but we'll always use this one here. And there's a third version, obviously you can see there, just jumble the 2 letters around or the 3 letters around. So let's look at the diagram here. The knowledge required is the unit circle, like trig identity number 1. Just try and make that more in the middle. So here's my unit circle. The diagram I need to set up here is a triangle where I've got this b as my radius. So this is b, and I extend this line outside the unit circle to a point on the x-axis. This is my angle A. I'll do my sides first, and then I'll do the angles in a different color. This is my side A, it's opposite angle A, and this is my side C, which is opposite angle C. So let's put those angles in a different color. A in green, B is going to be this one here, opposite the side B, and C up here. And then this is the point C0. From here all the way along the x-axis to here, that's the length C. This is the point C0. And then this is the point B cos A, B sin A. So this is probably one of the trickier ones. There's a little bit of knowledge required here before we start it. So when we get to this point, it's the distance formula again that we're going to use, similar to number 1. So we're going to get the distance between B cos A, B sin A, and the point C0. So filling that information into the square root of x2 minus x1 to be squared plus y2 minus y1 to be squared. The distance, we call it d, but it's going to be a. So this a here is the distance between these 2 points, between here and here. So a is equal to the square root of, now it's easier to go from b cos a to c, so we'll do b cos a minus c to be squared plus b sin a minus 0, we don't need that 0 in there, to be squared. So a squared, if I square both sides at the same time, I'm going to get this bracket to be squared. So it's b cos a by itself, which is b squared cos squared a, and it's going to be b cos a by minus c twice, so twice b c cos a. That's this one by this one 2 times, and then we're going to have minus c by minus c, which is plus c squared. We're also going to have this one to be squared, which is plus b squared sine squared a. So you can see what we want. We want a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared. So we're going to have to bring some information together. Now another little bit of knowledge here is that cos squared a plus sine squared a is equal to 1, which was trig identity number 1. So if we can factor out cos squared a and sine squared a, we have this b squared. So we're going to have a squared is equal to b squared times cos squared a plus sine squared a. So that's these 2 taken into account. And then we have this c squared plus c squared. And then we have minus 2bc cos a. So we're just there. This is equal to 1. So we can then say, and if you just write that off to the side, you don't have to put it into this on the right. A squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos a. That's the proof complete.